Howdy. I'm out here in the shop and starting to work on a shelf over here. I'll turn you around so I can explain. I got this pallet rack here with numerous items on it. That shelf is full. So I want to build another shelf, but all I had was the cut off ends of another shelf. So I basically, I cut these at a 45 and then I cut them all to the same length. I got 4 of them for, one for each side. So anyway, I'm basically gonna put a gusset here and then tie in some 2-inch square tubing there across. And then here's that square tubing. I already cut the first piece, so here we go. All right, I kind of got these two roughed in. I gotta do some straightening on these from when they've been beaten in the past. And some of these tabs are a little wonky anyway. So I'm not using these two. I'm gonna use this one. It's bent up one, but the steel is the most there of all of them. So I'm gonna grind this off, clean this up a little bit, and then do some straightening. We'll hit them with a hammer. Alright, we're gonna see what we can do to this. Straighten this out a bit. It's a little better. Good enough. Good enough for this project. Say that and then I keep going. Pretty standard. Sounds good. Gonna try to get this out now. It should be hit like that. What's up?
How you doing?
Straightening this piece. Hey, perfect timing actually. You wanna hold something for me? I'll hold this like this. Here, come around the other side so we can show the camera.
Oh, you're videotaping this?
Yes, sir.
I look like a clown doing this now.
Yeah. I gotta get this dent out. So here, hold this. Just that. Yeah. Move this in. That's better. Nice. Hold my way. Good enough. All right, so I got this one cut as well. And then I got to cut a section out of this that's, I don't know, whatever that length is. And then I ground this out. This was cut previously, so I ground that out. I'm going to just weld that and grind it flat. And then I got to go through these and chamfer all the edges like that. Just clean up the insides. So, get to it. Alright, I got this ground square, and then I went back on the anvil and got that pretty flat. think I did all right. So, I'm gonna get that, weld that up. Good enough. We can fill that. All right, I got these mostly roughed in. I'm gonna cut an angle, like a triangle piece out of here. Bring this up to 2.5 inches for that. And then it'll be square here, the same dimension as that. So it'll work. It'll work, don't worry. But the old eyeball, you know, I'm just kind of looking at it, make sure it was square. So I actually drew a line. So I gotta sand that off, and then I can weld that to here. Had to make sure to get the 2 for this side and 2 for that side, so that it works right. And then once this is all welded together, I'm gonna test fit these and see if the tabs need to be bent around, and then we'll see how late it is then. Okay, so I got this welded. I think that'll do. And then I'm gonna cut these on this angle here, and then bend this up and then weld that. Do that for all these. And that will bring us down to the 2.5 inches that bar is. Very good. Gotta be able to problem solve around here. All right, cool. We got our 2 pieces cut. I'm gonna get those down, and I'll probably do this on the concrete, move that pad so, you know, not melting rubber while I'm welding. But I'm gonna tack them in place and then hang them back up and make sure it fits before I finish welding it. I've definitely got myself in trouble by tacking something and then confidently welding it wrong. So I'm gonna try my best not to do that, but you know, no promises, so we'll see. Cool, so I got these chamfered where they're gonna be welded on the top and bottom. These are just kind of gonna float. Then I got this over here. This is gonna get welded in there on both sides, so it's obviously just sitting here. So I gotta get some straight edge here, clamp it, and then make sure everything is good. So I'll get back once I got everything clamped together. Okay, let's see if we can't glue some metal together. A little more. I'm pretty sure I got everything where I want it, but probably not. I don't know. We'll see. So here we go. Now, I'm willing to bet that one or both of these tabs, like the whole assembly, is like that too much. So I'm sure we'll probably need some percussive maintenance along the line. This needs a better home. There it is for now. I got too much stuff. Who would have thought? Okay, so it's twisted like that. So this one's coming out too far. I guess I could probably, no, because once I weld it, it's not going to move at all. All right, well, grinding some tacks. So, told you. I gotta go down. When I was moving in the vise. I'll try that. Tack one, make sure it fits. All right, got her. I'm not gonna pound it in, but it is sitting flat. So I'll be able to weld that one. I'm gonna tack up the next one, get that one going. Well, I messed up in a couple of ways. One, this is too short, or this is too long, so it won't go in there. It's just, I don't know, maybe a 1/16 of an inch too long. So, just cut it off and then shave a little bit off. But I'm also out of cutoff wheels, so I think that'll do it for today. Gonna come back tomorrow and hopefully finish it up. I got a bunch of stuff in the bed of my truck that I need to get out of there because I have some more stuff that I need to go grab before too late. So anyway, that'll do it for today. Yeah, I don't know what this is gonna turn into. Kind of just I'm just gonna do this. I watch a lot of people on YouTube just making stuff. I've been watching, I don't know, like Alex Steele and just, Jimmy DeResta and all sorts of other people on YouTube just making stuff for forever. I've learned a lot, and now I've kind of gotten to the point where I kind of have the shop that I dreamt of as a kid. So, let's make something happen. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Yeah, have a great day.